Hello student, good morning and welcome to everyone in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see solution of first, second and third part of question number second. Question number second, find the perimeter and area of the following irregular figures. All measurements are in centimeters. This is the first part of question number second. Okay. So we need to ask to find perimeter and area of this irregular figure whose measurement are given in centimeter. Okay. So children, before solving this, first I will take a point of the vertices of this irregular figure. Suppose this is point O and this is A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Also the perpendicular distance taking P. This is a Q and this is a R and this is a S. Okay. The first part is ask find their perimeter. Okay. So we know what is the perimeter of any closed figure. Okay. The boundary of the closed figure is called its perimeter. So perimeter of this irregular figure is called perimeter. Okay, perimeter equal to the total length of the boundary. Okay, so this is boundary OA. OA plus boundary AB plus BC. Okay, side CD, side DE plus side DE plus EO. Okay. So OA is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter plus AB is 6 centimeter. Okay. So where OA equal to 10 centimeter and AB equal to 6 centimeter plus BC equal to 8.2 centimeter plus CD equal to 8 centimeter plus D equal to 7.1 centimeter. Okay. Plus EO equal to 1 means 11 centimeter. Okay. Now adding all the numbers. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 8, 16, 32, 32 and 6. Equal to 50. Okay, 53.3 centimeter. Overall, we will get perimeter of this figure equal to 50.3 centimeter. Okay. And also ask to find its area. Okay, so therefore area of the figure, area of the figure is calculated by, here we can say this is observe OAB. This is a triangle having height equal to 5 cm and base equal to 12 cm. Okay, similarly this is also triangle, this is and this. All parts of this figure contain triangle, means we have to contain 4 triangle. So by using formula area of the triangle 1/2 base into height, we have to find its area. So area of the figure is calculated by separated form, means first area of triangle OAB. Okay, OAB plus area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle COD plus area of triangle ODE. So this is 1/2. Base is OB, means 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter into height is 5 centimeter. Plus this is 1/2. Base is this side is base OC. Okay, which is 16 centimeter into, and height is 6 centimeter plus 1/2. Again in triangle OCD, base is OC, which is 16 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter plus in triangle ODE, base is 1/2, this is 14 centimeter into SC, means 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so now simplify. This is 2 6 12 30. Okay, this is 30 centimeter square plus and 2 8 16, 48 centimeter square. Next, this is 2 8 16, 56 centimeter square plus this is 2 7 14. So 7 into 5.5 35 38 0.5 centimeter square. Okay, added 30 centimeter, 48, 56 and 38. So this is 5 centimeter square minus 8 6 14. Okay, 8 6 40 and 8 22. This is 22. 3 and carry 2, 5 10 14 14 16 17 18. 182 point. This is 72. 172.5. Okay, centimeter square. This is the area of a regular figure. Okay, so perimeter of this figure is 50.3 centimeter and area of this figure is 172.5 centimeter square. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Okay children, now move to the second part of question number second. This is the figure. Also find its perimeter and area. Okay. So first, taking name of the vertex. Suppose this is a point A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So children, here we can see all the measurement of all side given with leaving BC. Okay. BC is not given and AB is not given. So first I will find out BC and AB. So by drawing this line CD extend at M. Let this is a point M. Okay. So the total distance is given 10 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Then this will be also 5 centimeter. 10 into 5, 5 centimeter. This is 5. Then this is also same as a 5 centimeter. And all this is given 12 centimeter. Okay. This is 12 centimeter. So therefore total 12 and this is 5 centimeter. 12 minus 5. This BC is 7 centimeter. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, 5 centimeter. So perimeter equal to side AB plus side BC plus side CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. Okay. So AB is 5 centimeter plus BC 7 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter plus DE 5 centimeter plus EF is 10 centimeter plus FA 10 centimeter. Now adding overall, so this is 5, 10, 17, 75, 22, 22, 4. Okay, 4 and this is overall 44 centimeter. Okay, perimeter of this irregular figure is equal to 44 centimeter. And also calculate their area. Now area equal to this area can be calculated by using two triangles. Okay, the first area, by using two rectangles. First rectangle is A, B, C, M plus area rectangle DEFM. Okay, so this is length into breadth, means 5 centimeter into 7 centimeter plus, and the area of this rectangle is calculated by length into breadth, means 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So this is 7 5 35 centimeter square plus 50. 10 5 50 centimeter square. Okay, this is centimeter. 5 centimeter into 10 centimeter, which is centimeter square. Okay, so children, the perimeter of this irregular figure is 44 centimeter and area equal to 85 centimeter square. Okay children, further move to the third part of question number second. The diagram is given over here. Okay, the measurement of all side is given with leaving this. Okay, so again taking the name of the vertex. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, E. This is E, F, G, H. Okay. So to find the perimeter and area. So this side is calculated by determined by measurement. Extend GF to M. Okay. And ED to N. This is N. So this is a 30 M. Overall is 30 centimeter. This side is 5 centimeter. Then this is also 5 centimeter. And same here. This is 5 centimeter. Okay. So 5 to 10. 30 minus 10, which is 20 centimeter. Okay. So therefore, perimeter of this figure equal to perimeter of this figure equal to the side AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. Okay, AB is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter plus this is 15 centimeter. 5 centimeter plus D is 10 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. Okay. So now we have 30, 15, 5, 10, 20. So we will get overall 110 centimeter. Perimeter equal to 110 centimeter of this irregular figure. And area of the figure is calculated by this is calculated by area of triangle AMGH. Okay, area of rectangle AMGH plus area of rectangle MNEF plus area of rectangle BCDN. Okay, BCDN. So this is length into breadth. Okay, so breadth is 15 centimeter into breadth is 5 centimeter plus breadth is given 20 centimeter and length is 20 and breadth is okay. So this is total 15 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. 15 minus 10 is 5. So this is 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter plus same area this triangle 15 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So this is 15 5 75 centimeter square plus 100 centimeter square plus 75 square. So this is 250 meter square centimeter. Okay, 250 centimeter square. Total area of this regular figure is 250 centimeter square. Okay, and perimeter is 110 centimeter square. So dear children, this is the required answer of this question. Okay, I hope this is clear. All three part of question number second after watching my this video. Okay, thanks.